everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today Grandpa and I are having a holiday breakfast of eggnog French toast. Here are the ingredients: 1 egg, eggnog, and slices of bread. You can use any bread that you prefer.
Grandpa here. This is how I prepare my French toast eggnog batter. First, I gotta take the egg, put it into a bowl, beat it up a little bit. Then I add my eggnog. Mix it up. The eggnog contains all the spices that I need to add to the eggnog mix because it's flavored. Then I take it and pour it into a square dish that I have. Get a couple slices of bread, put it in the mix, turn it over, like so. We are using our Dash double up electric skillet. We had this for years and we use it a lot. First, I gotta take some butter. Put a little butter on each part of the dash. Now I've got 2 French toasts on one skillet and 2 French toasts on the other skillet. I flip them over. They're browning up nice. My French toasts are done. They come out nice. First skillet, second skillet.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. First, I gotta put some syrup on my eggnog French toast. Out of my little pourer here. And we're having some bacon with our French toast. Tastes good, Ma. Oh, that eggnog puts a nice flavor to it. We only have bacon a couple of times a year on special occasions. This is a nice treat for me. Eggnog, French toast, and bacon. Eggnog we're using is a plain eggnog, doesn't contain any rum. Some eggnogs do contain rum, but I don't use that type of eggnog. The bacon is a hickory flavored bacon. Really tastes good. It really came out nice. I'm really enjoying this special holiday breakfast that I'm having. And when we have our bacon, we enjoy it crispy.